Excellencies, heads of state and heads of governments, esteemed members of the eminent personalities of the South, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bulovinaka, and a very good evening to you all. On behalf of the government and the people of Fiji, I want to again welcome you to our shores and to say what an honor it is for us to have you here. I hope you are enjoying this beautiful setting and the balmy weather, of course, however short your stay with us may be. I want to thank our international visitors, especially in particular, for taking the time to be here with us in Fiji. Your presence at this gathering is a testament to your commitment to the vision and objectives of the Group of 77. We are all working to advance our common objective, to further advance our development platform agenda and engage fully in the global community. As the chair of 77, I have deeply appreciated the support that Fiji has received from members of the group. This has been exemplified by the discussions we have had today, which have been marked by constructive, interactive dialogue in a spirit of frank and friendly cooperation. I am confident that the outcome of our deliberations will be to pursue fresh and creative approaches to address the challenges we all face as developing countries. These challenges require us to work together in a concerted manner rather than work in isolation. I believe it is only through collaboration and cooperation that we can realize our collective vision for the G77, which is to use our unity and strength for the benefit of all our peoples. This evening we come together, Your Excellencies, to celebrate that unity in spirit of solidarity and friendship. Thank you all for being here, and I hope you all enjoy our Fijian hospitality.